Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are enjoying virtual classes. Now, let us we have start today our new chapter 10, Air. My dear students, you already know that air is present all around of us. The air that surrounds the earth. There are some few characteristics of air. We can feel it but cannot see it. This is because pure air is colorless, odorless and tasteless. We feel air only when it blows. Means air has no shape or color, cannot smell or taste of air. Air takes up space. Air has mass. Air exerts pressure. These are the few characteristics of the air. Composition of air. Air is an invisible mixture of gases. It is made up of mainly nitrogen 78%, oxygen nearly 21%, and 1% contain the water vapors and small amount of the other gases. Other gases include carbon dioxide, ozone, helium, hydrogen, and some are water vapors, dust particles, etc. It is the composition of air. My dear, the amount of water vapors present in air determine the humidity of air. Importance of air. Air is very important for plants and animals. How? We already know that all the animals, including human beings, need oxygen to live. They all need this oxygen every minute and second of their life. We already know that it. They take oxygen from air through the process of breathing. Read in our first chapter what is breathing. The oxygen present in air is used to produce energy from the food that is eaten. In this process, carbon dioxide gets formed which is breathed out. Means air is important for plants as well as animals. Here, oxygen is also required for burning and plants require air to live and grow, and plants take the photosynthesis process. Now, we say that oxygen is required for burning. Here is the one activity, and in this activity we have with the help of this activity understand the importance of air in our life. Here I am taking here one candle and another one candle and a jar. You also do this activity at home, but you have to do in the presence of your parent. Now, here candle, lighting candle here, and another one, cover one of them with the glass tumbler, and which is the taller than the candle. What do we observe? We observe that the covered candle get put out, but the uncovered candle keep on burning. This happened because the covered candle soon uses up of all type of oxygen present in the air inside the tumbler, inside this inverted jar, and does not get more air. Hence, more oxygen needed by it to keeping burning. So, stop burning after a while means that candle which is in open form, it is continue burning because it take the oxygen from the outside, but other one is candle stop burning because of we have put the inverted jar, and the inverted jar there is only oxygen is present, that is the candle is burning, otherwise candle stop. So oxygen is required for burning. Next is plant required air to live and grow. Here I am taking here two plant part and leaf, and add I am taking here one is the open form and other is covered with a thin transparent plastic sheet, and observe the plants, both plants for few days. The plant which is kept covered with the plastic sheet will shrink up and dry out after some day, and other will remain healthy. Means here the plant is also needed air to live. They use carbon dioxide present in air to prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You already know that the process of photosynthesis, and they carry out this process in the presence of sunlight. So my dear students, we can say that air is important for plant as well as animals. You have revised this part, and tomorrow we will meet again a new topic. Thank you so much and take care.